Today we're looking at the crash bar bracket. We have two sizes, a 22mm to 29mm and a larger 29mm to 40mm. Firstly, we suggest putting a small piece of fabric tape around the crash bar to protect it. Remove the top bolt and place over the crash bar. Reattach the bolt. We suggest using a small amount of Loctite or thread locker. Once you're happy with the level, retighten the top bolt and then we've got a nice secure fixing. The shelf can be removed and the light can be attached straight into the clamp with the M6 fix.